Cameron, let me give you this, babe. Better not give you guys more worry, so I'll lose you the rest of the hour.
All right, Cameron,
Okay.
come on over here, please.
Very quickly.
Here,
Well,
Cameron.
today you get to read something else.
Can I read the comments?
Okay, you guys are going to work together on that. Miss Ava, are you working with the boys back there? Okay, you girls can come on up here then. And do I have everybody has a group?
I thought you was going to say yours.
Slip over there with her. You guys have a section, you boys have a section. Does everyone have a section of the newspaper? Okay, Colin, I want you to take a couple of minutes to look through all the pages in your section. You can read the big letters. Ladies, quickly. I want you to look through your section of the paper. So go list through your section. It's in there. Okay, and who's working with you, Brittany? Chloe, honey. You can blow your nose up there, babe. Guys are doing a good job.
What's this one?
Look and see what is in there. Hey guys, eyes and ears right here for just a minute. This is what I want you to look at.
Everybody pay attention.
Eyes and ears freeze. Mr. Marquise, eyes and ears freeze up here, please. These are the things I want you to look at. I want you to look at the headlines of what your section is about. The pictures, is there writing with the pictures? You'll notice on this one, there's a heading of this section is the sports, but there's other headings with different titles going on. Look for those different kinds of things, and then I want you to share with us back in a couple of minutes what your section of the paper is about. So you have 2 minutes. Look through, see what it's about. There should be some discussion if you guys are talking about it.
What does it say it's about? What's the main topic?
You'll notice that there is a date on it. Sorry, babe, sorry.
Where's the job application? I need to take it to my brother.
What are you finding in yours?
I'll make a paper.
Is it just popcorn?
Even though he's not ready, maybe. Oh, yeah, this has.
Also turn the page and see what
What school did you come from?
Huh?
What school did you come from?
You guys didn't have a map on that.
I didn't get one. That was still. I didn't go see it.
It's talking about, what's it called?
Were you able to see what
It's talking about,
Let's talk about hospital.
it's talking about somebody like
Got sick. I'm just skimming. I'm not reading all this.
3:30, 30.
So you figure out where you live, and then you go here and kind of what happened.
Why is that too?
Honey, you just ended up with two.
Oh yeah, that's
Where you live
mine.
in here?
I just realized.
What you guys bring out here?
They looking at something.
Can we get the comic, please?
People who what?
Eventually, maybe, but not
Moved
right
up.
now.
This is down this way. We could go and visit their family or whatever. You guys have a lot in here.
Okay, there's our 2-minute warning. So, let's come back together. Well, this is, you're right, it's not football, but that was my thing to let us know 2 minutes was up. So, let's see, who would like to share about something that's in their section of the paper? Okay, first of all, Marquise, what section of the newspaper do you boys have?
Cars,
Okay, it's not the cars, it's the
added,
classified ads. Now, would you stand up and show them your part of the paper? Why don't you stand up and show us what your paper's all about, babe? Thank you. Okay, eyes and ears are over here. Marquise and Michael and Sean Quest are going to tell us about their section of the paper. What are some things that you guys found in your section of the paper? Is there just one car dealer in there?
There's more than one.
Okay, so do you notice, what sets them apart? How do you know they're different ones? What are some things that set them apart?
the titles of the cars.
The titles? Okay, something else, anybody else notice anything about these 3 car ads, if you guys show them to the rest of the class, that help us know that there are 3 different people? I see something right off the bat that I know. If we look at this one, and if you guys go ahead and close this up for just a second, this one. If we look at these 3 together, does anybody notice that the colors are different between the ads? So sometimes color is something that they can use. Was it just about cars, guys? Because remember I told you what's
Ads,
all kinds of ads. We have
garage
garage
sales,
sales. What else?
auto parts.
Auto parts, lots of different things. Very good. All right, Owen, would you and Cameron like to share about what your section of the paper is? What is your section of the paper?
My favorite section
First of all, tell me what kind it is. Show me the front so I know which section you have it.
is the art and leisure, but then the second one has one of my favorite restaurants on it.
So in arts and leisures, what are some different things in there? We know there's restaurants. What else was in there?
Dancing, musicals,
Dancing, music.
and strikes, I think. Cash for gold.
Cash for Gold ads was in there. So arts and leisure has to do with things to go and do, Ruby, okay? It has to do with the movies. I bet you find the movie listings in there, different activities that have been going on. Very good. All right. Would the gentleman back here like to share with us about theirs?
You guys want to stand up and talk?
Romeo, can you tell me what yours was about? Or Shane, either one?
It's hospital.
They have the very first page of the paper, so they have the actual headline. They have the headline, and I have someone else who has that section.
And we also, so should we just not get into that? Okay, and we also, some of the ads that we have are, we have the memorials, people that have passed away. We have Wichita Talk, and on the back, we actually have a map that shows Wichita and gives the weather.
And so they also, the map also tells us about the weather throughout the country, so very good. So they have the very first page, and so you'll notice, boys and girls, that we have a lot of large print. This is to get your attention, Mr. Martin, about what's going on in this paper. The Wichita Eagle always has the same banner, or the same headline, or the same top.